Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a Facebook technical error on iPhone. Right? If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, before doing some technical things, you need to go ahead and open up your web browser. It can be Safari. And once done, we would need to find metastatus.com. All right? Again, metastatus.com. Open it up, wait for it to load. Once it loads, go ahead and check if there are red errors right here. If there's one, well, that might be the reason why you have this technical error pop up. All right, so if all is green right here, well, there's no problem with the metastatus or servers. So what we'll do, or what you'll do next, is just verify that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is having a stable connection. Because if you don't have a stable connection, technical errors will occur. So for example, you're currently using mobile data or cellular data, go ahead and try to switch to a Wi-Fi, or if you're currently connected to Wi-Fi, go ahead and use a different Wi-Fi connection. And then once that's done, go ahead and check if it works. If that still won't work, go ahead over to settings. Now go ahead and find general right here, tap on it, tap on iPhone storage, wait for it to load, and once it loads, find Facebook, tap on it. Now you're going to want to tap on offload data or offload app. Okay, so tap on it and then tap on offload app. And then once that's done, in some cases, it will ask you to install or update it right here. If not, just open up your Play Store or App Store and then update the app from here. All right, just find Facebook. If there's an update button, again, update it. And once that's done, open it up and everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That is how you fix Facebook technical error on iPhone. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.